Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super little cute postcards that are a bit of a shakers as well, so it's 2 in 1. No, in all seriousness, on a recent video we made a project using some acetate, and I've asked you guys if you want me to do to show you different ways to use acetate, and I will put the video at the end of this one so you guys can go back for your reference. And this is basically I'm made using heat embossed on heat resistant acetate, and you can make anything that you want. Don't have to be postcards, don't have to be anything. You can heat emboss the acetate and you get these little transparent pouches. So just put some sequins inside. These on is a pink cardstock with some pink purpley sequins. This is a blue cardstock with some gold heat embossed and some gold sequins. And then this is a pink cardstock with white heat emboss powders and gold sequins. This is definitely my favorite one out of the 3. Very simple to make. Guys, big disclaimer, you have to make sure it's heat resistant acetate, otherwise you're gonna set your house on fire, and I don't want not to be responsible for it. Okay, so very easy to make. This kind of like a shaker, not super shaker, because I'll show you at the end how to make a proper shaker if you want to, but this is just a little idea to enclose make little pouches. Don't have to be sequins. You can put stamps, you can put little papers inside, you know, you can put beads, you can do anything that you want. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so let me show you. So we need to have heat resistant acetate. Guys, it's really important. Don't burn your house down and blame me, because I got nothing to do with it. Honestly guys, you need to make sure that your acetate is heat resistant. Okay, got this from Amazon. Can't remember the price. I had it for a little while, so just gonna get one sheet. Oopsie, in fact I could probably use 1, 2. Could probably get use of this scrap. Yeah. So, and then we're gonna do it on here. So what I thought we will do, I just want to taste, literally try and error with you guys. I'm gonna use 3 different powders: white, gold and black. I just want to see what different effect it will bring just using different mediums. So this is a stamp. As I said, it will definitely fit 1, 2. I won't get 3 out of this, but I will definitely get 2 on here and 1 on there. Apologies, but you will see the lights reflected. I can't help with that because it's acetate. So I just gotta put some music because I'm going to use my heat and gun embossing gun, so I don't want to make a really loud noise. So, but I will put some music and I will speed it up a little bit. Okay. Okay guys, so let me show you the result. So this is one, and funny enough, I thought that the white powder was the one that I would least seen, but actually that's probably the strongest, because look how bright and defined it is compared to the gold one. It is still nice, I really like it, and the black one. Okay, so I do think the black and white are definitely the most visible one. Okay, so what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna cut a little piece of cardstock, white cardstock, and I'm just gonna put some sequins. Okay, so we create the little the little shakers. I'm gonna use double-sided tape. When you do acetate, you guys use double-sided tape. Don't use glue, because acetate don't like glue. okay, so it won't attach. So yeah, I'm just simply going to do a layer of cardstock, put the sequins, and then put this double side tape around it, and then just seal them. Okay, so let me show you. I've done 2 already. So I had some cardstock, some scrap, so I thought let's try different colors. So this is probably my favorite one. So you've got your pink cardstock, the white embossing powder, and the multicolor sequins. Definitely is my favorite one. So they're not shaken a lot because, and I'll show you in just a second, we're not created an elevation. So for example, if you use I haven't got it here on my desk, like padded, oh there they are. So if you use like foam pad, they create an elevation, okay, because you've got this there, it will create an elevation so the sequins move. But when you do that, guys, you will be able to see it. Unfortunately, with the double side tape, you don't see the tape. Look, you won't see the tape. So let me show you so you guys get an idea of what I'm trying to say. So just put the double side tape on just around it. I'm just gonna peel it off. And I'm just gonna put, so because it's a gold, I don't know if you will be able to see it. Oh yeah, let's put some gold sequins. And this is the beauty of this project, you can create so many different combinations. I do like my gold sequins, I must admit. And I do like, I said this in several videos, I do like blue, baby blue turquoise, and gold as a color combination. It's so retro, it's so, to me, it's more a bit shabby, but glam shabby, if it makes sense. See, so just gonna put it in there. Oh, this just came off, doesn't matter. Just get rid of that, and then slowly just gently press down where the adhesive is. Okay, so you can see, you can't see the double side tape. So let me just chop this. It's just gonna get rid of the excess. And now I'm going to show you what I mean with the elevation. So, and I'm happy with that because it still works as a shaker. You can see the sequins underneath. Love them. So if, let me get, I thought that, I'm sure there is a scrap of, I've got my rubbish bin here. Because I don't really want to waste. What did I do with it? I think did I use it all up? I think I did. Oh no, there it is. I knew there was a piece. So let's pretend. So this is acetate. Let's pretend we got the image heat embossing there. If you use this, so what you will normally do, you will create, so let me just do it on one side. So this is your traditional way to do the shakers, okay? But you will see the foam pad, unless you put a little frame. So let me just chop it off. I mean, it's tiny, but so if I put sequins there, let me peel the backing off. So if you do the foam pad as an elevation, you see the sequins move because they got the room for it. See how they move? But you will see the foam pad. In here is all about the postcard, and it's like a secret pouch that you see what is inside. And I think, you know, don't get me wrong, look, they move. Not as much as they will move if they're on a proper shaker, but it's the gist, okay? So look, of course, because there is a space, the elevation, the sequins move freely. Okay, I'm gonna save this little piece. Guys, that is it. I hope you like this video, just to give you an idea, following your request. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up, because it really helps with my journey here on YouTube, because you're telling YouTube that you like what my contents are and what I make, and my video get pushed out. So it's completely free. Just a little thumbs up. If you leave a comment, it's even better because you help me with the algorithm. I'm gonna leave at the end of the video now a couple of more projects that we did together with the acetate, because if you buy, I've got this acetate for like years and years and years. It's a pack of 10. Check your local Amazon shops, wherever you are in the world. Just make sure, guys, it's heat resistant. Please, please, please. It's really important, because I don't want to burn your house down. Okay, now being serious. Okay, guys, I'm gonna link a couple of videos that we make with acetate, and I will see you on Wednesday for my VIP June papers. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.